John's Random Quickie. Right, we've got a job on. We're at Hartside Moor, which is near Leeds, and we've got a leak on one of these big cylinders. Look at the size of them immersion heaters. So the leak is on the coal feed as it comes in. It's just a little weep on a soldered fitting. That is a male iron split union connector to 35mm that we've got to repair. So first things first, we've got to get it all drained off. So I've isolated it, and we've got a big hose pipe on it. Just a bit of a side note, see all these little pipes? Someone's rigged up like a circulation pump to make it sort of circulate around the cylinders better. Anyway, back to the job. We've got a hose pipe down the drain and it's draining. It'll take, got to have a brew. Right, we've got it all split and we've got some flux on the bit that's leaking, you can see there. So we're going to get the solder, the blow lamp out and get it off. And we'll find out what the problem is. There, I knew it was going to be this. You can see the black bit there. That's the bit that the solder hasn't taken. It hasn't been soldered. Nothing wrong with the fitting. It hasn't been soldered correctly. Not enough heat on the fitting. But it has held for 30 years. So it's not done too bad. This is the inside of the fitting. So as I turn it round, you can see that little black mark. You can see where the actual solder hasn't run at all. Just on a few millimetres it's held for 30 years. Not bad really. It was never going to blow off. But we've made sure everything is super clean so we can solder it back up again. There we go, all soldered up, loads of solder in there, loads of heat, and that's going to be fine. I can tell straight away that's not going to bloody leak. And it's a really good fitting, a really good brass on that fitting. So what we need to do now is get it all back in position, get it all back in line. Right. Check this out. If you're a young plumber and you haven't seen this stuff before, this is Fernox LSX. It's like a high pressure silicone. So what we need this for is to put on the taper fittings. We'll put it on the male bit there and also on the female bit after cleaning them really well. And that will get a really good seal. And hopefully when we fill these massive cylinders up, we won't have any leaks. As you can see, everything is 100%, which is I wouldn't have expected anything less from me. So that was quite an easy fix. We'll just turn the immersion heaters back on and job done. Let's get home.